Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. Just hit that red subscribe button. It is free 99. It costs you nothing. Over here, we do a hybrid budgeting. It's a lot of cash stuff. Not a lot. It's cash stuffing. Plus, it's digital budgeting using Google Sheets. And if any of that interests you, please consider subscribing. Let's go. Okay. So today we're going to be doing our check-in for our cash variable envelopes. I'm trying to do better. So I'm trying to do a weekly check-in for you guys. So let's pull out our cash envelopes now, or dividers in this case, and start with our first category, which is groceries. The groceries says that we have $46. What is on my grocery thing? So we have $46 currently, saying that we spent $20 at the grocery store, then $33 at Aldi, and then $1 went to C-Bucks for my friend Nija. I sent it in a Christmas card. So let's see if we still have $46. 20, 45, 6. $46 is correct. So this is up to date and we're ready to go, which is good because I'm not 100% sure what I want to do for like Christmas food. I think I just honestly want to do nachos or tacos or steak and salmon, something simple, and potatoes. Like I don't want to do all the collard greens and mac and cheese and all that again. So gas. Why does that seem like it's fuzzy? I don't know. Okay, gas is says that we have $30 left. I don't think this is up to date, but we had $60, then we got $20 of gas, then we got $10 of scratch offs, and I think we also got $5 more. So I think we probably only have 25, but let's see. 25, yes. So I need to update this. This is actually supposed to say that I believe the next day we went, because I was mailing out cards. So on 12/20, I went and got more lotto scratch offs. And that was $5 more because I sent 5 more cards out. And so that left us with $25. So now it is updated and complete. And 25. And because I've been off a lot this week, I honestly think I almost have like a full tank of gas still. So still good to go. All right. And then we have allowance. And allowance says it has $40, but I know that's wrong because I went out to eat. So allowance has $25 in it. And I knew for a fact that on 12/21, I spent $15 on eating out with my sister. So 40 minus 15 is 25. Is that what I have left here? Something still doesn't seem right because I don't think I'm supposed to have this much left. Because I got Chinese food as well. I had to grab the calculator real quick just because 40 minus 15 is 25. So I was right, but I know this is not right. Because I know I put the eating out with my sister on the card. So 15 of this needs to be somewhere else. So I also know, okay, I ate Chinese food on 12. I want to say it was 22. And Chinese. And it was $11.75, but I had one of those dollar coins and I took that out of my change. And then I had 75 cents out of my change. So I only used $10 there. So minus 10. And that leaves us with 15. And then I feel like I used 5 somewhere else. Because I think I'm only supposed to have 10 left in this. So I think on 12/21, I stopped for snacks. And that was about $5. Rounding up here. And I think what I'm supposed to have is $10 left. So that's how it's supposed to go. Eating out 15, Chinese 10, snacks 5, leaving $10 in there. So I'm going to see if I can make change because technically I don't know if I can. Oh, why are these all discombobulated? This is so. I don't think I have any 10s. All right, we might have to handle this at the end. So what I'll do is credit card gets 15, 10 left. And I'll leave myself a note so that I'm aware. So there's really only 10 left in here, but 15 is supposed to go to the credit card. I hope that made sense. Self-care, baby. Self-care ain't got no money. Oh, self-care got $3. So self-care is, we put $70 in. I got a pedicure. I got my eyebrows done. It was $57. I gave a $10 tip. And so after the $57, we had $13. After the $10 tip, we had $3. And we still have $1, $2, $3. So self-care has $3. And giving, it doesn't have anything because we had $10 to start. Then I gave $10. There were 2 people outside of Walmart. And I gave them each $5, $10. So total of $10. I don't think I have a 10 or 2 10s in order to make myself any change at this point. So what I'll do is I left myself a note so that when I do the unstuffing and restuffing, I will be able to take that money out and put it to the credit card, which is absolutely fine. So that's it, y'all. We really didn't have a lot going on for this week. I've been pretty good with my spending and keeping track of them. I could obviously do a little bit better with keeping track of the allowance money, eating out, because that was the one area where I saw that I was not all the way on top of it with writing in my expenses. So I will be mindful of that and doing that going forward. If you've made it this far in the video and you like it and you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and don't forget to hit the notification bell to make sure your notifications are on. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye! Jazz hands. Love you, mean it. Bye.